Making strides in new quality predictive forces, featuring high-tech, high efficiency, and high quality, is high on China's agenda this year. What momentum will it inject into China's economy? What opportunities will it bring to China and the world? How will it benefit China's high-quality economic development? Participants from various sectors attending the Booآؤ Forum for Asia annual conference in China's Hainan have shared their insights.
I think the new productive forces will inject momentum to the Chinese economy because it will drive innovation. And innovation is what one needs to add more value and be able to charge more money and thus facilitate the economy. So it's really critical.
China now has already is one of the most advanced countries in certain sectors of technology. The innovation is going to be the main growth engine of Chinese economy.
The innovation is a prefect to the future progress in every sector. And as you know, the innovation centers of the world are now moving to the east. They are in Asia, and particularly they are in China. So we will see a lot of innovations, new technologies emerging in the future in China.
So China is already a global innovation hub across a range of products, whether that's electric vehicles, battery storage, among many others. Innovation will ultimately create new employment, will it create income growth, and that in turn will help to support consumption growth. And that focus on quality growth rather than just quantity growth will be very important to laying the foundations for the country's long-term success, but also the growth of its exports to the rest of the world.